Hi there, greetings from Shyaway. As more and more cases of corona are reported from across the world, it is our responsibility to take all possible and necessary precautions to control its spread. The World Health Organization has warned that severe and mounting disruption to the global supply of personal protective equipment is putting lives at risk from the coronavirus. Medical masks and other supplies can take months to deliver and market manipulation is widespread. So, we are here with an awareness video to show you all some quick ways to turn your unused bras into a face mask. Please note that these masks are not recommended for medical purposes but can be used in case of emergencies. Okay, let's start making our first bra mask. I'm using a padded bra here. You can take any of your unused padded bras. The cup shouldn't be too small or too large and should be just enough to cover your nose and mouth. Cut one of the bra cups with the shoulder straps still on it. The strap should be cut off from one side and should be sewed like this. There you go, it's ready in a jiffy. Let's move on to our second mask. We are using a padded lace bra. Cut one of the bra cups in such a way that the shoulder strap and bra band are still attached to the cup. Cut the other bra band. Stitch it along the other side of the bra cup. Cut the bra strap from the other bra cup and attach like this. Now you have to fold the straps and stitch it to form a loop like this. Wear it over your ears for extra support. It's a T-back lace wings front open bra. First, you have to cut all the parts without damaging any of them. You should get 2 cups, 2 shoulder straps, 1 bra band like this. Cut the bra band in the center. Sew them at both sides of the cup. Attach each shoulder strap at the edges of the bra band. You have to roll the bra band around the strap so that the raw edges are concealed properly. Tie it as a bow at the back. Ta-da! Another safety mask is ready. You will be surprised to see how a nursing bra turns into a mask. In fact, nursing bras are best for face masks as they are made with a skin-friendly fabric and are suitable for people with sensitive skin. As you did with other bras, cut the straps and bra band from one side of the bra. Now, remove the bra band from the other cup and attach it to the mask. This has a broader bra band which helps hold your mask in place. Use the bra hooks to secure the mask. You can use these face masks to prevent yourself from dust, pollution and also during emergencies. Wear a mask and be safe.